Surah al-Kahf is the chapter that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala encouraged us through Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam to read it every Friday. And there is many virtues, and I'm sure this has been covered here. But the main thing that we all have to ask ourselves is, there's 4 stories in the Surah al-Kahf. Allah wants me to remember them every week, because every week from one Friday to the other, I am going to go through at least one of the tests that each story has meaning. First one is about the test or the fitna of the deen, of religion, the young boys of the cave. Then it's the fitna of al-mal, is the temptations of wealth, the 2 ashab al-jannah, the 2 friends who has the garden. Then you get the fitna of knowledge, Sayyidina Musa. Knowledge is a huge it's a fitna in a way that it makes me think I did it, I know, and I forget that Allah is al-Alim, Allah is all-knowing, Allah is the one who gives, Allah is the one who holds. And then we have the last story of Dhul Qarnayn, is the test of power. When we get into a position of power, I can change, or I can abuse. This is a test, how I'm going to handle it.